Yeah. These are the flowers for the wedding. I don't know if I'm gonna go or not. I hope I'm well enough to, but if not, well, sometimes I have flare-ups and it's just nasty. So I'm hoping that I'm gonna be okay. So that being said and done, there's some greens to eat. There you go. There you go. These are all flowies for the growing it for a wedding. Yep. Here's the tomatoes. That's beef steak tomatoes. Beef eaters. Look at that. Oh, pretty good. There's a tomato on there already, see? Right there. Right there's a tomato already. So that's pretty cool. And gladiolas. And in the back, that's all garlic and potatoes. Pretty good sized garlic this year. So I had to hunker down today. I'm not up to par. Oh boy, way down there, that's a nice garlic. It's huge, it's up 3 feet tall. More tomatoes, with tomatoes. With tomatoes. Yep. So, yeah. The second or third patch of rhubarb? I don't remember. I know it's definitely 2 patches. Yep. Here, I have to separate some plants. Oh, I'm walking on some. Oh no. I just put the gypsophilia right here. Just enough to put in for a vase. Yep. Oh boy. Walking through the forest. Yeah. All kind of spice cabbage. Oh my. Oh, some apples. I ate that apple and I grew it, and that's what's there. Let's see what we got in here in the jungle. Oh, a grapevine in here. You get a drink of grape water. And there's a plum, mirabelle.